In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Sankey chart in Power BI, which is an excellent way to visualize data flows in your reports. Whether you're an experienced user or just starting with Power BI, this guide will help you enhance your data visualization toolkit. First, you'll need to have Power BI Desktop open on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, be sure to download and set it up from the Microsoft website. Once you have Power BI Desktop open, look towards the right side of your screen. You'll see a ribbon with various icons. We're particularly interested in the three dots, which is the ellipsis icon. Clicking on this will give you access to additional options within Power BI. After clicking the three dots, you'll be presented with a few choices. Here, you should select the option labeled Get More Visuals. This is a gateway to Power BI's vast library of custom visuals, allowing you to expand the range of your data representation capabilities significantly. When you click on Get More Visuals, you will likely be prompted to sign in or verify your email. This step is crucial, as it ensures you can access and install additional visuals from the Power BI Marketplace. Enter your email and proceed through the prompts to complete this step. With that complete, the focus now shifts to finding the visual we need. In the search bar, provided within the Custom Visuals window, type the phrase Sankey Chart. This particular chart type stands out because it provides a visual representation of flow from one set of values to another, which can be incredibly useful for illustrating data movement or relationships in your reports. Once you've typed Sankey Chart in the search bar, press Enter and browse through the list of available visuals. When you find a Sankey Chart visual that looks right for your project, click to add it to your Power BI report. You'll notice it appears within your list of visualizations ready for you to use. At this point, you're set to start configuring your new Sankey Chart to showcase data flows effectively. You can now connect this visual to your datasets and begin the process of creating insightful data mappings. Just remember, when setting up your Sankey Chart, you'll need to define your nodes and links, which represent the points and connections of data flow within your visual. Adjust settings as needed to refine how your data is displayed, ensuring it aligns with the insights you wish to convey. Creating a Sankey chart in Power BI is straightforward and greatly enhances the way you display complex flows in your analytics. By following these steps, you open up a world of dynamic visualization that can lead to clearer communication and better business insights. Enjoy creating your Sankey charts. And as always, if you encounter any issues, Power BI's community and support forums are great resources to explore.